Yan. To all my friends, watch me. To all my shout out my YouTube channel. Like this. You can touch this one first, octopus, and then tap your octopus. And then English, if you don't know, okay, start recycling. Okay, start. Sometimes they don't want the bottle. Just again and again. Sometimes they don't want. But you try and try. Don't make very fast. Because if you do very fast, yeah, okay? Save the bottles. Ayaw. Ah, you have more? Unavailable, but okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ay, yes. Sorry. Ay, where's mine? Okay. Ano pa? Top up?
And you has
Thank you.
next time. Okay na.
Okay na. Thank you.